Welcome back, lash lovers. Beautiful Wands here, and today we're going to show you how to do volume lashes in half the time using our promades. In this video, we're using the tape back method, which basically means that we're using some tape, de-sticking it first, of course, and then pulling back on the extension so we can see those little lashes underneath or on the bottom layer. And all we're doing is picking up the promades and placing them. It's super easy, super simple. You don't have to flower bouquet, you don't have to pinch, you don't have to fan at all. They're all perfectly the same width, and they all have really nice pinched bases, so you can ensure that it looks really natural but also really fluffy. And because the width is the same in each of our boxes, you know that the density is going to be even all throughout the set. And if you don't want to do an entire set of just promades, you can mix it up too. You can hand make some fans and then go underneath with the tape back method like this and use our promades to make sure that your sets look even. To check out the massive variety of types of promades, you can check them all out on our website at beautifulwands.com. Let us know what you think. See you next week.